Hi, my name is Mika Lefeman,
Hi, my name is Smed Vaidyanathan.
and our app is an app called MoodTunes. And so what you do is first you log into Spotify, because our app uses Spotify API. And once you're logged into Spotify, what our app does is you select your mood from a picker view, and from there, our app curates a custom Spotify playlist for you. Well, technically 3 custom Spotify playlists for you, based on whichever mood you selected.
All right. So right now the Spotify is authenticating right now. So this is like the front screen, and now it is in the picker view screen. And right here in the picker view, you can select from 4 preset modes. So we have sad mood, we have happy mood, angry, and chill mood. So we can pick from one of those. And Mika, what mode would you like to select?
Let's do happy.
Happy, sure. We're happy right now that we're demoing it for you guys. So perfect location. So right now we have happy, and now we're just gonna click this button, and now that leads us to a screen. Right now we have generated 3 different playlists of happy songs. So which playlist do you want to select?
Let's try playlist number 2.
2. All right, now we are taking to Spotify, and now we are generated this app. So right now let's try playing a song then.
Attend the funeral. It is sad to think that sooner or later.
Okay, so that's an example of how the application would work, and then you can go back and choose a different playlist if you'd like.
Yeah.
And so what I worked on in the app was I worked on the front end and more of the user experience side. So I worked on all of this right here and making sure the application looked right and worked right, and this picker view here as well. And for me, the hardest part and most challenges I ran into was right here with this picker view, because I'm used to working with Swift, where picker views they're just there, but here it's a little bit more complicated because I had to use a custom number picker, because Android Studio doesn't actually have a picker view with its capabilities.
So what I worked with was actually integrating Spotify API into our app. So that included the authentication process, and also creating and adding the different songs to playlists. And one problem that I really encountered with this was when I had to actually authenticate Spotify. And basically what I have learned was that my redirect URI from returning back to the app from Spotify was actually incorrect, and that I forgot to actually add security fingerprints so that it could actually take Spotify back to my app. So that was one of the problems that we encountered with actually integrating Spotify into our app.
Yeah, and so looking forward to the future, what we'd like to do is, instead of having this picker view, we would instead like to try to use Microsoft API. They have a facial recognition software, and we want to try to implement that in order to make our app recognize your facial expression and find a mood from there, and then generate a Spotify playlist for you based on your facially recognized mood.
Yeah, and that was our project, and thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.